welcome back to a new video, and today we are at my friend's shop. So this is one of my old friends. His name is Ronaldo. So he started a wrap shop from his house, and over time his business started growing, and now he's doing a lot more than just wrapping. So let me show you what he's gonna be doing, and plus so he's gonna be the one that's doing my PPF for my vehicle. So let's get right to it. Oh, it's fucking crazy. There's a GTR right there, and like the fitment is so good on that. I think he just came in here for a wrap, I don't know, but yeah, I'm super excited to get this thing PPF'd, and then later on probably get tinted. And then on top of that, I'm waiting till a certain mileage for the Tesla so I could get that thing dropped.
My name is Ronaldo. I have been rapping for so many years. This job is very gruesome. Stick with the beat. I'm not a rapper. Knees weak, arms are heavy, balls sweaty.
Okay, now that PPF is on, the result of it looks so amazing. Like, I'm not gonna deny the fact that it looks almost as like paint product. So the purpose of PPF is to protect the paint of a car from the elements. It helps to prevent scratches, chips, and fade, and can be applied to both new and pre-owned vehicles. PPF is also highly resistant UV lights, which can cause fading or discoloration of the paint. But we know that the PPF is a thin and durable clear urethanium material designed to protect the paint and finish of a vehicle. So once this film is applied, it's technically doing its job to protect from road debris, bird droppings, tree sap, and other corrosive elements that can damage the paint. So when the film is scratched or damaged, the heat from the sun or the heat generated by the friction of rubbing the film with your fingers causes the material of the film to soften, and basically you'll formulate again and the scratch will disappear. If you guys are also wondering about the letter logos that belongs in the rear that I have applied, I'll link that in the description below. And I paid roughly around $22 for that, and overall it makes the rear end look so much more modern and much more aggressive in my personal opinion. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know that this process took 3 days, but you know, hopefully this can convince you guys to get PPF for you guys' brand new vehicles, regardless if it's Tesla or not. It's super important that you guys get it to protect your paint. And you know, the budget wise, it's kind of up there, but you get what you pay for. The expensive it gets, the better quality it will be. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.